A diode is a two-terminal electronic component that allows electric current to flow in only one direction. It is a semiconductor device with a p-n junction, which is formed by joining a p-type semiconductor material, with an excess of positive charge carriers or holes, and an n-type semiconductor material, with an excess of negative charge carriers or electrons. The p-n junction in a diode allows current to flow easily in one direction, called the forward direction, while offering high resistance to current flow in the opposite direction, called the reverse direction. This behavior makes diodes useful for various applications, such as rectification, signal modulation, and switching. When a diode is forward biased, positive voltage applied to the p-type side and negative voltage applied to the n-type side, the p-n junction becomes conductive, allowing current to flow through the diode. In this state, the diode has a low resistance, typically a few tenths of a volt for silicon diodes. On the other hand, when a diode is reverse biased, positive voltage applied to the n-type side and negative voltage applied to the p-type side, the p-n junction acts as a barrier, preventing significant current flow. In this state, the diode has a high resistance and only a small leakage current, typically in the nanoampere range. Diodes have various types and variations, including 1. General-purpose diodes. These diodes are designed for common applications and are used in rectification, signal conditioning, and protection circuits. 2. Zener diodes. Zener diodes are designed to operate in the reverse breakdown region, maintaining a constant voltage drop across them when a specific reverse voltage is applied. They are commonly used for voltage regulation and voltage reference applications. 3. Schottky diodes. Schottky diodes are characterized by their fast switching speed and low forward voltage drop. They are used in high-frequency applications, rectifiers, and voltage clamping circuits. 4. Light-emitting diodes. LEDs are diodes that emit light when forward biased. They are used in various applications, including displays, indicators, lighting, and optoelectronic devices. 5. Photodiodes. Photodiodes are light-sensitive diodes that generate a current when exposed to light. They are used in optical communication systems, light detectors, and solar cells. Diodes play a crucial role in electronic circuits by controlling the direction of current flow, rectifying AC signals into DC, protecting components from reverse polarity, and performing various other functions based on their characteristics and configurations.